I'm Latasha Norwood, Managing Partner of LRA, a project management consulting firm, and we are proud to be a sponsor for this year's HMSDC Golf Tournament. We're so excited about the funds that are going to be raised to support small businesses. We recognize how critical and important it is for small businesses to gain access to these resources. It's also a great opportunity to connect and network with other large corporations and partners. So HMSDC, thank you again. Congratulations on another successful golf tournament this year.
CenterPoint Energy is proud to be a sponsor again this year of the Scholarship Fundraiser. We've been a part of this event for many years, and we believe that developing small businesses within the Houston community is important to communities that we serve.
I've been involved with HMSDC in the scholarship program since about 2008. And what I would say to anyone that's looking to get value out of HMSDC is to get involved. Get involved with the committees, get involved with programs like this that help elevate you and make you do business better.
Alvarez & Marsal supports this event because it's important to support our minority and women-owned businesses. It's networking events like these that we become introduced to companies who can support not only Alvarez & Marsal, but the clients that we support.